I'm making this video right now for JAMB candidates because I've seen something, a trend that could affect your preparation and your final score in your JAMB exam. So I've seen something worrisome. It's worrying me. It's something that I see could make a lot of persons score less than 300 or score 200 or below in the JAMB exam. As you have been following this channel, seeing the things we have been doing, I need you to pay serious attention to this video. It's a warning. It's a warning to all of you preparing for your JAMB exam. It's something that if I don't tell you could influence whether you pass or not. And that is something I've noticed. That is overconfidence. Overconfidence. I've done a lot of posts on this our channel, Noble Tutorials, and I've seen other posts in other channels, and I see a lot of persons having this confidence that they have read, they can pass, they have been reading 3 hours in a day, they can get 300 and above, that they are more than 80% prepared for JAMB exam. See, I want to warn you ahead of time. Even if you are prepared, as I've been urging you, I want you to tell yourself that we have not even begin to prepare. Even if you are reading for 2 minutes, for 2 hours or 4 hours right now, I've often recommended in our channel that you study for at least 6 hours in a day. Now that JAMB exam is closed, right? 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon, 2 hours in the night, at least the minimum. But even if you are studying 6 hours in a day or even 8 hours in a day, tell yourself that you have not even started. There should be no trace of overconfidence in you. You know why? JAMB is a very, very, very serious exam. It's not like WAEC. It's not like NECO. JAMB exam has different types. So you may be writing use of English type 1. The person writing beside you could be writing type B. The next person could be writing type C. So you cannot even ask anybody any question. That is why a lot of persons cry after the exam. I want you to delete every trace of you should be confident. Don't be fearful. But any trace of overconfidence that JAMB is a small exam that you will pass, no. I want you to be confident. I want you to study with all your might, with every trace of seriousness you can muster. But I don't want you to go about thinking that you have studied everything. JAMB exam is not an easy one. They will set 180 questions and give you only 40 seconds to attempt each of them. Can you imagine that? You have 180 questions and only 40 seconds per question. And it's computer based. So once your 2 hours elapse, the computer will shut down. There is no going back. So no overconfidence. Let's get back to our books. Get back to studying. I've been giving you test questions, questions to try your ability. Take those questions. This is what should fill your mind now. You're studying. If you have studied, finish the textbook, go back again. Go back, keep studying, keep thinking that you have not even started until you write the exam and show me your grade. Maybe you score 300, 320, 350. That is when we can be happy. But right now, everybody, return to your books. Go back and keep studying. The time to enjoy, the time to be proud, the time for merriment is coming. Right now, every one of our channel members, you and every other person watching this video, return to your books, go back to your books and start reading. Nobody should tell me that you are 100% prepared, because you are not. The work we have at hand is many. Go over, look at all the videos we've dropped and watch them. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you have not joined our channel to be a full member, do that now. But in all you do, we have not even started. Get back to the drawing board and keep reading right now.